Yes, guys, welcome to Digital Tech Academy YouTube channel. My name is Kingsley Wanga, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create the fixed scroll effect in Figma. So let's get into it. So the first thing you actually need to do is you need to create a frame and add all the contents you're going to be using to create the fixed scroll effect into that frame, and also make sure that that frame is in an auto layout. So after doing that, you can come ahead with me. So what I need to do first is to select the frame and actually check what I like, preview it first before I do what I want to do. So I'm going to preview it, select the frame. So in my case, the frame here is iPhone 8. So I'm going to select the iPhone 8 here, and I'm going to go to my prototype view and select the preview. So in the preview now, you see that whenever I scroll on my prototype view, you see that everything is actually scrolling with each other. But I want this bar that I have up here and the one I have down here to be fixed. So what I just need to do is to come back to my iPhone 8 frame, select the top menu, the first auto layout that I have at the top, and make it an absolute cell. It's because now it's actually in static. So, and if it's in static, we cannot actually like position it and for it to be able to show while other ones are actually still scrolling. So we need to position it absolute. So what I just need to do, select it, come to this my right hand side here where I have the frame, and I'm going to click on this plus icon here to be able to position it absolute. So I'm going to click on that, and let me click on that, and you see that that has been positioned absolute there. So what another thing I need to do is to select the iPhone 8 frame and give it a padding top so that there will be a space between the content, the menu bar and the content that is inside the frame. So I'm going to give it a top of 50 pixel. So let's actually increase that a bit. So I'm going to give it like 60. So 60 pixel space. And now select it again and come to my prototype section here. Change on the scroll behavior, change the position from scroll with parents to fixed stay in place. So I'm going to change it from scroll with parents and to fixed stay in place, and then I'm going to preview that. So select that and go ahead and preview it. So go to my preview section now, and if you see whenever I scroll, that remained fixed. So the next one we need to do is we need to do it for this here, this one down here. So what we need to do is go back to our frame, select it, and go down to that second shape we want to position absolute and fixed. So select that. Now the first thing we need to do is to position it absolute. So come to your design view, position it absolute. So after positioning it absolute, now align it to the bottom. So after positioning absolute, you need to align it to the bottom so that it actually be at the bottom of the page. So I'll align it to the bottom, and then go to my prototype section here, come to the scroll behavior and change it from scroll with parents to fixed stay in place. So after that, now I'll go up here, select my iPhone 8 frame and go ahead and preview it. So if I preview it now, so if I scroll, this remains fixed and this also remains fixed. So that's how you can create the scroll effect in Figma. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever we drop awesome videos like this. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.